Hello and welcome to another set of trains app, and today we're at Banbury on the Chiltern Mainline. So you'll be seeing services by Chiltern Railways, cross country and various freight as well. A 221 Voyager, sorry, a 220 Voyager, just departed with the 11:30 cross country service to Newcastle Central. There is 16903 performing the 11:45 Chiltern Railways service to Banbury. I'm hoping we'll catch the silver sets to get some of the variety in the 68s, hopefully not just in the Chiltern Railways livery but also in DRS liveries. So let's see what else shall turn up. Okay, and the first train of the day is going to be a Chiltern Railways silver service bound for London Marylebone. It's 82305 on the front. With a very nice 68011. And this will be a Chiltern Railways service bound for Birmingham Snow Hill. It's 168213. Both services are going. 68 sounding very, very nice. And the driver there being a well-bearded man. Okay, then our first freight train of the day is going to be a Freightliner Class 66 with a fully laden intermodal set. $66,533 and away from the driver as well. Thank you very much. Okay, now turning up is the slightly delayed 11:57 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly. One of their 220 Voyagers. As the wind increases. And I'll give you the number upon her departure. Alrighty then, she is about ready to go. to 20017. Next train to turn up is a cross-country Super Voyager. This will be a service bound for Bournemouth. Two 21118. Also coming in is the 1210 Chiltern Railways service to Birmingham Moor Street. It's 168107. Right, so then, I believe both services are on their merry way. Okay, and the next train to turn up is the Great Western Railways 165. I must admit, I forgot that I came here. It's 165127. And the next train to turn up is a Chiltern Railways service bound for London Marylebone. It's 168214. Okay, 165127 is also on the move. As is 168214. Yeah, nice little two-tone there. And the next train to pass by is a rather claggy Freightliner 66. 66,556. Series 220025 with the delay 1219 cross-country service to Reading. Alright then, she's on the go. And the next train to turn up is the 1219. Shut up. 1229 service to Newcastle. If I can get my timings right. Alright then, the 1229 cross-country service to Newcastle Central is about ready to go. And away from the driver as well, thank you very much. Okay, returning will be R165 for Great Western Railway for the 1232 service to Oxford. And the next train turn up is the 1240 Chiltern Railways service to Birmingham Snow Hill. It's 168112. And also coming in is also the 1240 Chiltern Railways service to London Marylebone. 168109. with a broken rear wiper, as you do.
That's great.
Alright then, 168109 is also about ready to go. As the rain becometh, unfortunately. Okay, and the next train stand up is the delayed 12:57 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly. So 2:20:009. Okay, she's getting ready to go. Okay, and the next train stand up is the 13:07 Chiltern Railways service to Birmingham Moor Street.
Stand well away from the edge of platform 3. The approaching train is not scheduled to stop at this station.
168216. As we're about to have a Deutsche Bahn Schenker Class 66 mosey on through with a very light intermodal train. 66148. Well, the first half of that wasn't really necessary. There we go. Okay, and our final train of the day is going to be a Chiltern Railways Silver service bound for London Marylebone. (82.309) on the front. 68014 on the rear, and I'll also catch her departure as well. But as she picks up passengers, I shall leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching. It is greatly appreciated. If you've liked what you see today, then please do like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment. I do get back to them as and when I get the opportunity to. My next station is going to be Leamington Spa. I've only been there once before, and that was last year, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. So I'm really looking forward to going back this time as well. I'm hoping to catch just a little bit more freight than today, but today's been good. Plenty of 66s. Pity about only catching one Deutsche Bahn Schenker 66, but hoping to catch many more, and hopefully a 70 or two. But I can hear the beepers on the doors closing, so I'll catch her departure, and then I shall bid you all adieu. In fact, our final train is actually going to be a Deutsche Bahn Schenker 66 hauling some car wagons, or vans more specifically. A very claggy 66127. Go on, girl. So until next time, I shall see you all later. Goodbye.